Anyone looking for 5 bonus points, this is one of the most biggest opportunities to come and have the CCL test, because anyone who's been struggling with PTE, IELTS or TOEFL or with any different exam, you've been falling short of points, this is one of the biggest opportunities for you to claim these 5 points and jump up the queue for the immigration line. What are the benefits that students will get at the workshop?
So if students come to the workshop, they will get detailed information about the course structure, and they will have the opportunity to talk with individual trainers for any CCL related questions.
This is the first time that we're introducing the NAATI CCL training, and we will try our level best to uphold the name of our centre as we have been holding it up in the past.
It is our promise to you that we will try our best to help you pass the CCL test and get the 5 points so you can lodge your PR application as soon as possible.
See you at the workshop.
See you at the workshop.